Hey guys, quick video today. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to pull Allora inferences from the network using Python. We've built this Allora Network Python SDK for consumers to call any of our topics on any time frame with any asset and get a price prediction within seconds. Let's dive right into it. So first things first, let's open a new folder and set up our virtual environment. So I'm going to open a folder here and call it Python pip example. Allora pip example, a bit long, and let's open this up. So I'm gonna run Python -m venv here, and then I will run source venv bin activate. Awesome. I'm in my virtual environment now, so I'm going to install the Allora SDK. I'll zoom in here, pip install Allora _SDK. Boom, we're all set up now. So I'm gonna create a new folder or a new file in here called main.py. And we will write a script to call the Allora inference from the network and get the prediction. Now that we have our environment set up, let's copy over some import statements to get the client as well as ancillary modules to help you define the time frame and token you want a price prediction for. I'm going to copy over these import statements here. And since we're going to be making an asynchronous call, we'll need to import async IO. Cool. Now we're going to define an asynchronous function to get the price prediction for Bitcoin on an 8-hour time frame. And we will make sure that get price prediction is the function we're calling. Let's double check that right here. Yep, get price prediction. Awesome. Within my get price prediction function right here, I'm calling two of these modules, price prediction token and price prediction time frame, and then defining the token and time frame. So BTC for 8 hours right here. Now let's save this and run it. And we have a inference. This inference contains a signature that's directly from the Allora chain to verify that it is an actual inference from the chain, as well as inference data. That inference data contains a network inference that's normalized, and that's the 8-hour prediction that the Allora network has outputted for Bitcoin. In addition, we have confidence interval percentiles, and those percentiles define where workers are predicting within the network inference on a normal standard deviation graph. So yeah, this is it. All you have to do is run a few commands and set up a simple script in order to get your first inferences from the network. Thanks, see you next time.